So what up YouTube, it's your boy Tangeni once again. I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to do a review of traders with H prop firm. So it's a prop firm that is situated in Hong Kong. I'll give you all the details later in the video. So for now, if you are new to this video, if you are new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, like the video, share the video, and comment below, guys. I would like to hear from you guys. What are you saying about this prop firm? And the other thing is, again, I'm not doing this review because I'm currently trading with them. I have two 50k challenges that I'm currently trading with them. So it's not like I'm giving a review of something that I'm not using. So I'm giving you information on the details about something that I've already used, guys. So guys, watch the whole video, because I will be going in details and I will be showing you on my dashboard how my account is doing, guys. So guys, and the other thing is, guys, I will be posting updates, account updates on all the challenges that I'm currently doing. So if you don't want to miss out, kindly subscribe, turn on the bell notification so that you'll be notified when I post a new video. So guys, let's go to the Traders with Edge website so that I can give you all the account details and their terms and conditions and stuff like that. So yeah. Hello. As you can see, I'm on the Traders with Edge prop firm, guys. As you can see here, guys. Here are the challenges. Now, first thing, I have to go through the challenges. What are the challenges? Now the first thing is, now okay, we have the phase one, total phase one challenge. Let me just quickly go through it. Okay, as you can see here is the total phase one challenge, guys. So now with this challenge, you can also choose your customize your account. As you can see here, now we have a standard and aggressive. Here is a standard one. Now a standard one, they have accounts starting from 5k, 10k, 25k, 50k, 100k, 200k, and 500k, and 1 million. So now, okay, let me just quickly go through the rules. And okay, now the phase one challenge, as you can see, the profit split. Here, the profit split is 80% when you are funded. Account scaling, you can scale your account up to 3 million. Target is 10%. Max daily loss is 3% in this phase one. In phase one, as you can see here, the max loss is 6%, and minimum trading days is 10 days. Max time days is unlimited. Account leverage is 1 to 100. EA is allowed. News trading is allowed. Weekend holding trades is allowed. Payout is allowed after 2 weeks. Participation fees is 199, which is actually 200 US dollar, as you can see there. So I won't go through all the prices, but if you use my link in the video description and the code that I will be displaying on the screen here, if you use this coupon code and my link in the video description, you will receive a 10% discount, guys. You will receive a 10% discount or a 15% discount on this prop firm if you purchase an account through my link. So now the other thing is, again, now what are the platforms they are currently using? They are currently using MatchTrader and TXTrade. They are using MatchTrader and TXTrade, guys, as you can see there. Now you choose now which one do you want to choose now. Which one do you want to use? So now, okay, here now, just quickly go back there. Okay, now that one is a phase one challenge now. So now, okay, if you want the aggressive one, let me just go quickly through the aggressive one. Now here is the aggressive one. The aggressive one is much more is cheap, is expensive than the standard one, because this one, as you can see here, the profit target here in phase one is 20%. The other one is just 10%. Max daily loss is 5%, but the other one is 3%. Max loss is 10%, while the other one is 6%. You see the difference there? That is the difference. And as you can see here now, instead of the price, the 20k on the other standard is 200 US dollar, but here now it's 400 US dollar, as you can see here. You see the difference there? So I'd rather, this one is for, now this one is for people that are already experienced, but if you want, if you are just starting out, I suggest you go for a standard account. Now let me quickly go back to the phase 2, which is a higher phase 2 challenge. Okay, higher 2 phase challenge. Okay, now in this phase, let me just quickly go down and show you. Okay, here as usual, as you can see, you start with the standard. If you want a standard, I think the standard is for people that are beginner, that are just starting out with prop firms. But as an experienced trader, go for aggressive one if you are an experienced trader. But as a newbie, I suggest you go for the standard now. 2 phase. This one is a 5k account. Let me just quickly go to the 10 account. I mean 100k account. 100k account, as you can see here, phase 1, as you can see, profit split is the same, which is 80%. Account scaling is yes, scaling to 3 million. Target in the phase 1 is 10%, phase 2 is 5%. Max daily loss, you see the difference here, which is 5% maximum daily loss, and the max loss is 10%. Minimum trading days is 5 days. Max time days is unlimited. Account leverage is 1 to 100. EAs is allowed, guys. You can use EA to trade. You can also trade the news. You can also hold your trades during the weekend. You can also receive a payout after 2 weeks, and you can also get a refund, guys. You can get a refund for the money that you spend on any challenge that you purchase, guys. The platforms that they are currently using, they are only using 2 platforms, which is Match Trader and DX Trade, guys, as you can see there. Now for you, now this one is a 500 US dollar for you to purchase this 100k account. But if you want it on to purchase it on a discount, you can use a coupon code that I will drop on the, that I will display on the screen, and I'll also drop use the link also in the video description, so that you can get a 10% discount on every purchase that you are purchasing on this platform, guys. So now let's go back now. Let's go back to the most important thing is just the trading rules. The most important thing is the trading rules. Let me just quickly go check. Now, okay, this company is from Hong Kong, guys. This company is from Hong Kong, as you can see here. As you can see here, guys, that's where they are currently based. So later on, just stick around. Don't watch until the video ends, because I currently have a phase 1 50k challenge, which is a total phase 1 challenge. I currently have that one. I'm already trading on this platform, guys, on this prop firm, guys. I cannot give you a review to people. I mean, I cannot just give a review like that without using the prop firm first. As you can see here, I'm already, I will show you later in the video the on the accounts that I'm currently trading with this prop firm, guys. They also have instant funding, guys. They also have instant funding. So, but let me just quickly go to the trading rules, guys. Let me just quickly go to the most important one. The most important one is the trading rules, which is what I'm currently going on now. As you can see here, now trading rules phase 1, profit target, daily drawdown is a hard rule. Maximum daily drawdown is a hard rule. Minimum time is a hard rule. Maximum time is a hard rule, and no manipulation is a hard rule, guys. Those are the rules of this profit and target scaling. Now the rules on profit target and scaling, daily drawdown. These are just the rules of the prop firm, guys. So the stop loss rule is a soft rule, guys. You cannot lose your account because you are not using a stop loss. You can also max account risk, which is a soft rule, guys. It's a soft rule. So yeah, those are just the rules, man. Those are just part of the rules that they don't have too many rules. The good thing about these programs, they don't have too many hidden rules. As you can see, I'll just show you later on in the video of how the account that I have, how far am I, how far I am with the accounts that I'm having, that I'm trading with them, as you can see. So now, guys, they have a community where you can join them. You can also contact them via support if you want. If you have something that you want to at least ask about them, about any any issue that you are going through, you can ask and chat with their team, guys. So now, okay, let me just quickly log in and show you my dashboard of the account that I'm currently trading with them. As you can see now, here is my account. Here is the account, guys. They are using Think Market. This one is on a match trader that is the platform that they are using. As you can see now, we are in a profit of 485 US dollars. As you can see, we are still in some trades. As you can see, we are on Euro USD, as you can see on the screen here. So this is my account, 50k account that I'm trading with the traders with Edge prop firm. So guys, as soon as we get through phase 1 and we go to the live account, and until we get a payout, guys, until we get a payout, if you get a payout, that is when I can tell you that yes, this prop firm is legit. But for now, let's just be there, trade this account, we pass it, and then we go to the live funded live account, and then we trade until we get a payout, guys. Once we get a payout, that is when you can tell that yes, this prop firm is legit. But for now, let's just this is my, but I'll be showing you later on, because I will make another video about this account. I'll be giving an update about this account, this challenge that I'm having with the traders edge, with Edge. They are currently using the broker Think Market broker, as you can see there. So yeah, man, that is a review of these traders with Edge. So I like this platform, man. I like this trader platform. It's fast, so it doesn't give me stress like other traders that were saying apparently sometimes it gives them stress and stuff like that. But for me, it works well, guys. It works well with me. So yeah, man, thanks for watching, guys, and make sure that if you want to purchase an account with this prop firm, use this code on the screen, and you can also use the link in the video description to receive a 10% discount on every account that you are purchasing, guys. On every account that you are purchasing, you will receive a 10% discount code so yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Wish you all the best in your trading career. So yeah, man. Yeah, as you can see now, I'm on the traders with Edge. I'm on my dashboard now. As you can see, I actually have two accounts, and the account that I'm having, as you can see here now, the objectives 739. As you can see now, we have it's a 50k account. So guys, the daily losses is 2.5, maximum losses is 5,000. So yeah, man, I only need 5,000 to pass this challenge. So as you can see now, we are at 700 US dollars, you can see. So this is my dashboard, guys.
This is how the dashboard looks like. As you can see, just quickly check there. So my win rate is 62% and loss rate is 38%. So yeah, man, profit target is 10%. Daily drawdown is 5%. Maximum drawdown is 10%. And minimum trading days is 5, guys. Unlimited trading days. Profit split. We don't have a profit split since we are now in a challenge phase. So once we get to because this one is a phase one, guys. It's a phase one challenge. So guys, man, that is all that I have to show you on my dashboard here, guys.